The Snapmaker Artisan 3D printer is a premium modular fabrication machine designed for creators, engineers, and professionals. With its large build volume, dual extrusion system, and industrial-grade construction, it delivers powerful performance while offering the flexibility to expand into laser engraving and CNC carving. 3-in-1 modular functionality, expandable system. The Snapmaker Artisan stands out with its modular design, allowing it to transform into a 3-in-1 machine that supports 3D printing, laser engraving, and CNC carving. While this version focuses on 3D printing, users can easily upgrade by swapping tool heads, making it a versatile all-in-one solution for multiple creative workflows. Large 400 by 400 by 400 millimeter build volume. With a spacious 400 by 400 by 400 millimeter working area, the Artisan enables users to handle large-scale projects or batch production with ease. This makes it ideal for professionals working on prototypes, furniture parts, or complex designs without splitting models into smaller pieces. Enhanced Dual Extrusion System. The Dual Extrusion module features a high-performance gear system, 7:5.1 planetary ratio, allowing for multi-material and multicolor printing. It improves print precision and enables the use of soluble supports, making complex prints cleaner and easier to finish. Industrial-grade linear rails and all-metal build. Built with CNC ground steel, linear rails, and a solid all-metal frame, the Artisan offers exceptional rigidity, stability, and durability. This industrial-grade construction ensures high precision and smooth motion, even during high-speed operations or CNC tasks. Auto bed leveling for consistent results. The automatic bed leveling system simplifies setup by ensuring the print bed is perfectly calibrated before each print. This improves first-layer adhesion and reduces the chances of failed prints, making the machine reliable for both beginners and professionals. Quick Swap Modular Design. Thanks to its Quick Swap system, users can change tool heads and platforms in about a minute. This seamless transition between different functions boosts productivity and allows users to switch between tasks without complex setup. Wide material compatibility, 600 plus materials. The Artisan supports a vast range of materials. For 3D printing, it works with PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, and nylon. When expanded to laser and CNC functions, it can handle materials like wood, leather, acrylic, and even certain metals, making it highly versatile. 7-inch touchscreen control panel. The large 7-inch touchscreen provides an intuitive interface for controlling the machine. Users can easily manage settings, monitor progress, and switch between functions with a smooth and user-friendly experience. Overall, the Snapmaker Artisan is a powerful and flexible machine that goes beyond traditional 3D printing. With its modular design, industrial-grade build, and multi-function capabilities, it's an excellent choice for creators and professionals who want a complete digital fabrication solution in one device.